Temu haul. Wondering how I did that? Let me tell you. I'm going to share with you some ideas for products that you could choose to get a $0 Temu haul of your own with a qualifying purchase. And all you have to do is go into the Temu website and put my code in the search bar. I'm going to put the code on the screen for you right now. It's also going to be down in the description box along with the link for the website for you. And there's also going to be links for each of the products that I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to go ahead and get into what I chose that are just ideas for you, but these are things that excite me, and so I can't wait to share them with you. And as always, I will be adding the price on the screen of what the products were when I got them, and just so you can see what the regular price of them are. So the first item I'm going to share with you is kind of funny. I'll explain to you why I got it, but it is this little tiny picture that says, "Yes, girl, you can." And maybe you're like me and you have to give yourself little pep talks about things, because I'm not always very self-assured about things. And so sometimes I need a little something to remind me that, yes, girl, you can, whatever that may be. And so I actually got this to be able to put on my bookshelf. And I just think it's a cute little reminder of that I'm more capable than I oftentimes think I am. And so just something fun and little. These would also be super cute to add into little gifts for friends, some kind of an encouragement. If you have some kind of a team that you're a part of that you like to be encouraging, I think this is a really cute little thing you could add in. Also, this is adorable if you've got like a dollhouse, perfect for like a little piece of artwork in a dollhouse, things like that. And so there's all sorts of different ways you could use this, but for me, it's just simply to be a little note of encouragement to myself on my bookshelf. Next up is something that if you carry around books, a Kindle or some other kind of e-reader, things like that, and you are putting them like in a bag or even just don't want them loose when you're going places, then I am excited to share this with you because I have one of these already and I like it so much that I decided to get myself another one. So it is this little book pouch, and it's got a zipper top, which I love because a lot of them are made just open at the top. If you get these little book cover kind of things, they're just open. And I don't want that because I don't want my stuff to be sliding out of it. So I definitely love the zipper. And then it also has an open pouch on the front for things that you want to quickly sit down inside. It's a really cute little print. It says things like bookworm, books, coffee, just one more chapter, I'd rather be reading, shh, I'm reading, that kind of thing. And so little, you know, pictures of books and glasses and cats and a little bookworm, all that good stuff. So I'm going to show you, it's not only great for paperbacks, but you can also fit your hardcovers in these as well. And it's good enough. I can usually carry 2 books in them. So that way I am able to keep my books protected, because a lot of times I'm kind of throwing them into a bigger bag that I have. Or if I'm just going somewhere and I don't want to have where I'm just carrying around just my book or something unprotected, this is such a great way to do it. And then you can stick just your phone down in here. You can put, you know, paper and pen if you take notes or things like that. And so like I said, I already have one and I really enjoy it. So I knew I wanted to get another one. And yeah, I absolutely love this. I think they're so cute. And what a great way to be able to keep your books and e-readers and things like that protected. And then I am a big fan of all of the different types of t-shirts, sweatshirts, all that kind of good stuff that Temu offers. You can find all sorts of different themes, characters, I mean, just anything you can think of really. And obviously everyone knows by now, and especially from my last several Temu videos, that I am a big reader. I also have a reading channel, and so that's always in the description box also if you want to check that out. But so I like to get reading themed shirts. So this first one I got says "Reading is my jam," and it's got the strawberries on it. And I just thought this would be super cute for summer. And yeah, just to share that I love reading, and it's in a fun, summery kind of look. And so I just thought that was really cute. I'm going to show it to you on as well. And I did get this in a size large. And then the last shirt that I have to show you is also a size large. And it says, "Books are my love language." Oh, so true. Buy me a book. I'll be so happy. And so I just thought this was really cute with the little bow, XOXO, little hearts with love and things like that. The book, obviously, stacks of books. And just another cute way of being able to share my love of reading. And like I said, I have a book channel, a reading channel, so I like to wear book themed shirts when I'm doing videos on that channel. And so I have gotten myself a really cute selection from Temu, and I absolutely love that. So those are the items that I'm sharing in my $0 Temu haul, again with a qualifying purchase by putting my code into the search bar that's on the screen here, and again down in the description box below, along with the links to all of these products. And that way, if these are specific things that you would also like, you can easily find them, but they don't have to be these products. Just go ahead and go to the website and enter the code into the search bar and see what you might like to find for your $0 Temu haul. And I want to know about it when you get it. Let me know what you got. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you again very soon. Bye.